What is involved in converting a F96T8 fixture from 2-pin to single-pin holder?
Hello. Welcome to Just Answer.
Hi.
In order to convert the 8-foot fixture from 2-pin bulbs to single-pin bulbs, you would have to replace the ballast and the sockets at each end of the fixture. Obviously, this would mean a new style of bulb as well.
Understood. I just can't figure out how the wiring would go.
Do you have the new ballast?
No. I have not started this project yet. It started when I was trying to find replacement bulbs. Single pins are readily available, but 2 pins are not.
I understand. Are you sure you wouldn't rather convert to a newer T8 fixture? It would be less hassle, or at least, no more hassle than a complete rebuild. Not only that, but the T8 bulbs are also readily available.
Recessed 2 pins are also available but expensive. Would they require a new ballast?
Those are high output bulbs, and yes, a different ballast would unfortunately be required. If you could get a part number for the new ballast, and tell me the number from your old ballast, I could tell you how to reconfigure the wiring.
You mentioned T8 bulbs. That is what I am looking at. F96T8. Right now they have 2 pins and I can't find them.
My apologies. I was thinking you were working with a T12 fixture.
No, we can't use any T12s.
But it doesn't change the answer. Most people don't use 8-foot T8 bulbs, as I've been told by one of my suppliers. Most 8-foot fixtures that use T8 bulbs have sockets in the middle that allow for the use of 4-4 T8 bulbs. Are you looking to purchase your bulbs locally? Sorry. Typo. In the middle, not any the middle.
I usually have to purchase from Grainger or 1000 bulbs.
Just curious. Have they ever arrived broken when purchased online and shipped?
No, I have never had that problem. Can you tell me how I can get a wiring diagram for this circuit?
Let me see if I can find a ballast online, for the single-pin bulbs. Do you currently have access to the existing ballast? If so, can you post the number for it here? I need to compare the 2 wiring diagrams in order to tell you how to rework the wiring.
No, I am 30 miles away from the site and have never even seen the fixtures or ballasts.
Okay, no problem. I'll need to find both ballasts online and compare diagrams. It may take a while to find both and get a new sketch made up. In addition, I will be signing off in about an hour to attend a midweek worship service. Are you okay with getting this answer tomorrow evening, or would you prefer an answer sooner?
I am fine with that. I appreciate your efforts. Thank you.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.